So guys, welcome. It is a cook and eat with me kind of day. Today we are going to be making spicy chicken drumstick. Okay, it's a simple recipe I want to do today. So we're going to add 1 scoop of mixed seasoning. We're going to add garlic, 2 scoops of garlic, 2 scoops of ginger as well, 1 scoop of salt, 1 scoop of nutmeg, 2 Maggi. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of oil and we mix. Okay, now let's mix everything together with the chicken. So now after mixing, I am going to lay it on top of the oven tray. Okay, so now guys, I am going to put this inside the oven and I'm just going to let it cook halfway. We're not gonna cook it all in the oven. I'm gonna let it cook halfway, like 20 minutes, and then I'll take it out and then I'll fry it. Okay, I'm gonna put it inside the oven at 160 degrees and we're gonna cook it halfway. So guys, I have taken the chicken off from the oven and my oil is hot. I am going to start adding it inside the oil. So guys, our chicken is out from the oven and is also fried. It's looking absolutely delish. So now I am going to put this sauce on it. I am using this particular hot sauce. That is what I'm using for it. So I'm going to put a couple of the chicken in here and mix them with the hot sauce. Maybe just I'll do it little by little. So I'm going to pour the hot sauce in there. Ooh, look at that, it's looking good already. You can make your own hot sauce, but yeah, or you can use whatever hot sauce you like. So I'm basically going to mix all the chicken inside the hot sauce. And yeah, that will be it. And I'll meet you guys at the table where we're gonna sit and demolish like champions, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. We are back from making this delicious goodness and it is looking absolutely good. Like, I can't wait to dive in. It is looking so good. So let's pray and dive in. Amen guys, amen. It is time to dive in and demolish like champions. Welcome on board. Let's do it guys. Look at that. I also have celery here, okay? Mm. Mm -mm. Mm. Mm. This is good. Oh, this is very good. Mm. I like the sauce. When you bite into it, you can taste sweetness, but after a few seconds, the spiciness kicked in. Oh, it's very spicy. This was good, guys. This was absolutely tasty. Immediately you bite into the chicken, the sauce, you would taste sweet sauce, but then a few seconds later your mouth is on fire, is burning. It's very tasty. And I love the fact that the seasoning that I used to make the chicken is still hanging on the skin of the chicken, so that flavor is there. It's just super delicious, guys. This is all I can eat for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. Don't click out without giving a thumbs up. If you really enjoyed the video, always thumbs up. And if you're new here and if you love cooking, eating good African Nigerian food, then you're definitely in the right place. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. This is where this lovely chicken mukbang is going to end. Thank you, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.